Hi everyone, welcome back to Gwen Jikoni. On today's recipe, I'm showing you guys how to make this delicious and creamy cucumber dill salad. Very easy to make, but before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. You're going to need cucumbers, red onions, dill, Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, salt, oregano, lemon juice or some apple cider vinegar. Add your sliced cucumbers, onions and dill onto a bowl. Then you make the dressing using the Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt and some oregano. Start to combine and mix well. The dressing is as creamy as it can be and everything is well combined. Pour the dressing onto the salad, then toast. Everything is well coated and combined and you're ready to serve. It is that easy to make. So good and delicious as a side with whatever main that you have on hand. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, as well as subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye.